50 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
United 1075, thanks for the help. Yeah, they can talk, they just can't hear. Army drone 1710178 at Houston Center. I got you loud and clear. You're cleared to proceed via routing if you're hearing any of this. Your equipment's malfunctioning at this time. You're loud and clear. You're just not catching center. We've tried 4 frequencies in guard. It's a U issue. Army 178, can you hear center? Army 10178, I have you loud and clear. I have to keep acknowledging you because you're calling. If you can hear center, call center through the phone number you have. Your equipment is malfunctioning. Army 10178, Houston Center, loud and clear. Acknowledge with an ident. Medevac 489er, Alpha Mike Center, low. Army 178, acknowledge ident. Army 1710178, drone, Houston Center, acknowledge with an ident. I'm going offline. I'm calling military ops trying to control this drone. So if you need anything, if CPDLC, just uplink it. If not, you're just going to have to stand by.